Hey guys, so first thing in the morning I like to drink a full bottle of fruit water, and I will usually bring this with me to go to the gym, or if I'm doing an at-home workout I will just try to finish drinking that by the end of my workout and my stretches. So this day I actually went to the gym, so I didn't get back to the house until around 8:30, and Kyle came to the gym with me as well, so I'm cooking him breakfast too. So I'm throwing in 4 eggs, 2 for each of us, and then I also popped a whole grain English muffin into the toaster for myself, and I'm just cutting up some tomatoes. So I ended up keeping it really simple and just spreading some olive oil based butter onto my English muffin with some tomato, salt and pepper, and just scrambling my eggs, and this is a pretty typical breakfast for me. So I always have a mid-morning snack, so today I just decided to make us some protein shakes, and Kyle and I both had the day off, by the way, so it's much different when I'm at work, but I'm just throwing in some ice and then some unsweetened almond coconut milk. That is my absolute favorite. It's just so good. And then I'm taking half of an avocado and I'm chopping that up and throwing that in there. It just makes the smoothie super creamy. And then I actually don't really like bananas in my smoothies, but I'm trying to like it. So I put half a banana in there, some coconut flakes, and then also some chocolate whey protein. I just did 1 scoop and we're both splitting it, so it's really not a crazy amount of protein. But then I'm taking some cacao powder, and I like to do 2 or 3 generous scoops of that. I like mine really chocolatey. So I'm just throwing that in there, and then I'm taking a small scoop of Skippy crunchy honey peanut butter, I think it is, and then some organic flaxseed, and this is ground flaxseed. If you're putting it in a smoothie it doesn't really matter, but I like the ground flaxseed because you can really throw it in anything. And then just some 100% pure maple syrup for sweetener. And then I'm just going to blend that up, and it is honestly so good. It just tastes like a chocolate milkshake. I definitely could taste the banana. Like I said, I really don't like bananas in my smoothies, but I'm trying to like it, so it was actually pretty good. So then right around 2 o'clock I was hungry for a real lunch, so I'm just taking some pre-cooked brown rice that I had made the day before and some organic black beans. And then I'm taking a rotisserie chicken and just kind of breaking some of that up and throwing it on top, and then popping that in the microwave. For my toppings, I'm cutting up some cherry tomato and then just some shredded lettuce. But I just like to kind of mix that up with some hot sauce, so I'm using Red Hot, Sriracha, and then throwing on my cold veggies on top. So shredded lettuce, a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and some tomato, and a Greek yogurt ranch. And this is one of my go-to lunches, guys. It's so good. And I did legs this morning, so as you can tell I'm really not watching my carbs this day because I'm just really hungry, and I totally allow myself to eat carbs on my leg days especially. So if you guys wanted to skip out on the carbs, you could just do a taco salad, but that was so yummy. And then around 4:30 I just wanted a small snack, so I peeled 2 or 3 clementines and then had a small serving of these sweet potato crisp things. They're the Good Thins sweet potato chips, I guess you can call them, and they're just really good, and they're not super bad for you or anything. And then for dinner around 6:30 I'm just cooking up some chicken on the stove, so I'm using some chili powder, and I used quite a bit of that. And then I'm also going to be using some crushed red pepper, and I actually made this a little bit too spicy. Me and Kyle were both on fire when we were eating our tacos, but it was really good. We both like spicy, so it was just a little too spicy for us. But I'm just kind of tossing that around, and then I'm cutting up some fresh cilantro along with some more cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes, guys. I swear I eat them with like every meal. And then I just had some shredded carrots, so I'm pulling those out as well. And then also a red pepper, so I'm just slicing those really thin. And then Kyle had his debut here on the avocado. He cracks me up. I have no idea what he was doing. But anyway, we cut up some avocado to put on our tacos as well. So I put a little bit of mozzarella cheese, my chicken, lettuce, and all of my toppings. And then I went ahead and topped it off with some sriracha, and then rolled it up, and it was so good, guys. So that was, I believe, the last thing I ate that day. We ate a little bit of a later dinner than usual. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.